Welcome to Celeb Motion VFX. Today we're looking at an Invector and a Blaze tutorial. In most of my tutorials I use my favorite third-person shooter package, which is from Invector. And today we're going to be utilizing that to show how the integration is between BlazeAi and Invector. We're not going to go in to see how we set up the BlazeAi. I'm going to leave a link in the description for that. There's another tutorial for that. Neither how to set up the Invector player by itself. This is just the default prefab player. He's equipped with the default handgun, which you can see in the item menu. This will be the gun. And then we're just gonna put an enemy here, set him up as a BlazeAi. Right now he does nothing, take no damage. He doesn't detect me, nothing happens. This is just the default animation this character comes with. Now I'm gonna set him up as a BlazeAi, just the default with his animations, and then we'll take it from there. Okay, I set up the BlazeAi right now. You can see he detects me. He chases me, and when he's in a distance within 2 units, he will start to attack me. If I shoot at him, nothing happens. And this is what the tutorial is about. Now let's see how easy it is to actually damage the AI. So first of all, you can write your own health component script if you want, but the BlazeAi comes with a health component by itself. I'm going to use that. This one here. Let's open the script. Okay, so inside this simple health component that BlazeAi provides themselves, put in BlazeAi, my BlazeAi, call it whatever you want. I just call it my BlazeAi. We want to have a reference to this BlazeAi, and we do that in the start method here. Here we do my BlazeAi because that's the name I gave up here, the variable name. We want to get a component to it. Then we create 2 public voids, 2 public methods. One is called AI die, the other one is called AI get hit. Here we write my BlazeAi, call the def function, call the def state, my BlazeAi, call the hit state. With these, go back. Now add the health controller, where we want to hook up those 2 functions we just created, the die and the get hit. First of all, the current health, I added to 100, just the same as this one here, 100 up here. And then go to events, then on did game object, want to bring in the enemy character here and go into his health and find the AI die. Same with on received damage, bring in the enemy here and go to health and find the get hit. These 2. Now we also want hit particle damage. This one, this will play this prefab. You can change it to your own prefab. Whenever the AI get damaged, then they're gonna play this prefab, which is a blood. Let's test it out. It's displaying the get hit state. I just put 1 animation in there just for simplicity, and then when he dies, yeah, he's dead. So that's how simple it is. Now I want to show you something as well. On the player, on the item manager, you can see I gave him 2 guns. One is the handgun, and I've set that to damage subtract of 10. The other one is the assault rifle. That will withdraw 25. So whatever you shoot him with, whatever you damage him with, will correspond to these values here. So let's test it out, and let's look at the health here and the health controller. Okay, look at his health, 100 and 100. When we shoot him from the health controller, should withdraw 10. So that's 90, that's true. One more, 80. Okay, now let me change the weapon to the assault rifle. Now it should retract 25 per shot, or per hit. 55, yeah, next. 30. 5, sorry, didn't hit him. 5, and then last one should kill him completely, right? Like that. A little side bonus here, if you want the grenades to work as well, then go in and set up your grenade first. So go into your player, and inside the item manager, I added this frag grenade with ID 26. I open up the item list to find my grenade. 26, it's here. I expose it, and then I want to see the prefab, the grenade, this one. I click on that, and then inside the damage options, I'll leave it at default. On the apply damage layer, add your tag for your enemy, and the force layer, apply force layer, I also add enemy here. Those are the 2 things you need to do inside your frag grenade. Now find this script called vExplosive, this one, open that up, then hit Control F and search for colliders, then these brackets and an I. So search for that. There's a couple of them, but when you come to the one that has a on hit invoke colliders above it, then you are in the right place. Here you can see we're going to use a damage value which is set to the 80 and it's int. So what you're going to do is you're going to write this little script here. So how to damage our blaze with the grenade. If you wanted to immediately die, then you can just call on the health AI die. That's because in the health component we have this public void AI die, and also our AI get hit, which you will see here on the hit here, and it's gonna do the int damage value, which is up here. So that will be the damage type it's gonna add to our AI. So basically this is the little script here. You just need to put in inside UV explosive, get back to your scene. There, he died. Cool. With Invector, it's so easy. You just need a health controller connected to your objects. Then you can easily hook up any kind of get hit damage animation or die function, whatever you want. Just hook them up to the events which are inside the health component. That's how it is. And of course, you can also put in other effects like sounds and other blood prefabs. I hope you find this useful. I will definitely create some more Invector tutorials. See you later, guys. Bye.